Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the applications that are not available in your region. For instance, I'm going to go in my Play Store and I want to install a game named as Super Snail. As you can see that this app is not available in my region. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a VPN. You're just going to search VPN here and you're going to install any of these. I've installed the top one, Super VPN. Once I open my VPN, I'm going to try connecting my IP address to VPN of different countries. Like if I connect it to Canada, as you can see that I'm connected with Canada on my VPN. I'm again going to go to the Play Store and I'm going to search the same app with a slight mistake in that name. Like I'm gonna misspell it and I'm gonna search for it. And as you can see that now it's available on my Play Store. And for instance, I'm also gonna show you that I can also install it. Here you can see that it's installing. In this way, you can download the application that are not available in your region. Also keep in mind that not always VPN of one country will work. You're gonna try it multiple times and you're gonna write the name of your application with a slight mistake in it, and you're gonna try again and again, and at last this method will work. Thanks for watching.